Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to import recipes from websites into Whisk AI. Let's get started. First, go to your web browser and search for the Whisk AI, and then here download the Whisk AI application and open it. Then here in the main page, tap the save icon and then press the plus icon. Then here select Save a recipe from online and then choose Import recipe from web. And copy the recipe link from any website and paste it into Whisk. And the recipe will be imported with ingredients and instructions. Save it to a collection for easy access later. And that's it. With Whisk AI, importing recipes from your favorite website makes and takes just seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.